If your Steam downloads are crawling and you want a faster, smoother way to get your games updated, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest settings to boost Steam download speed, fix the most common bottlenecks, and help you figure out whether the problem is your internet or your storage drive. These steps are simple, safe, and they can make a big difference in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Steam and go to Settings. Once you're there, click on Downloads. This is where most of the important speed-related options are located, and it's the first place you should check if your downloads are moving slowly. The first setting to change is your download region. Steam automatically picks a region, but sometimes it chooses one that isn't the best for your connection. Click the drop-down and select a major city that's closest to you geographically. If you're in a smaller area and your downloads still seem slow, try switching to the next closest major hub. For example, if your local region isn't performing well, test a larger nearby location like London or Frankfurt. Sometimes a different region can improve speed immediately. Next, look for the setting called Limit Download Bandwidth. If this option is enabled, Steam may be restricting your download speed without you realizing it. Make sure this is unchecked so Steam can use as much bandwidth as your network allows. This is one of the most common reasons people think their internet is slow when it's really just a software limit. Now scroll a little further and find Allow Downloads During Gameplay. Turn this on. By default, Steam often pauses or slows downloads when you launch a game because it assumes you want more system resources for gameplay. If you want your game downloads to keep moving in the background, this setting needs to be enabled. After that, click Clear Cache at the bottom of the Downloads tab. This is another important step because Steam can build up fragmented download data over time, and that can interfere with performance. Clearing the cache will restart Steam and refresh the download process, which often helps fix weird slowdowns, stuck downloads, or unstable speeds. If Steam prompts you to sign in again afterward, that's completely normal. Now, let's talk about how to diagnose what's actually causing the slowdown. Open your Steam download graph and watch the two main indicators. The blue line represents network activity and the green line represents disk activity. If the blue network line is low while the green disk line is high, that usually means your internet connection is the bottleneck. In that case, try using Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi and make sure you've chosen the best download region. On the other hand, if the blue network line is high but the green disk line is low, jittery, or struggling to keep up, then your storage drive is likely the problem. This happens more often on older hard drives. In that situation, moving Steam games to an SSD can make a huge difference. SSDs are much faster at writing files, which helps Steam unpack and install downloads more efficiently. So to recap, the fastest Steam download speed fixes are: choose the right download region, remove any bandwidth limits, allow downloads during gameplay, and clear the download cache. Then check the download graph to figure out whether the issue is your network or your drive. That way, you're not just guessing, you're actually targeting the real problem. If this video helped you speed up Steam, please hit the like button so more people can find this fix, and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.